Welcome to our channel where we make managing your Fit card simple and stress-free. Welcome to our channel where we make managing your Fit card simple and stress-free. Knowing how to check your Fit card balance is essential to managing your funds and avoiding any surprises when you make a purchase. Let me walk you through the quick and easy steps to check your balance so you can always stay in control. First, you'll want to visit the official Fit card website or open the Fit card mobile app on your smartphone. Both options give you instant access to your account details. If you choose the website, log in using your registered email and password. If you use the app, simply open it and enter your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard or account summary section where your current balance is prominently displayed. This area provides a clear number showing the money available for use. If you prefer, you can also check your balance by calling the customer support number on the back of your Fit card. Follow the automated prompts or speak directly to a customer service agent who can tell you your current balance instantly. Another convenient method is checking your balance via text message if this service is offered. Simply send the designated keyword to the number provided by Fit Card Services, and you will receive a reply with your updated balance. Always remember to ensure you have your card number or account details handy, as this information is often required to verify your identity. By following these simple steps, checking your Fit card balance becomes a smooth process that saves you time and hassle. Staying informed about your balance means you can plan your spending and avoid declined transactions. Keep these options in mind the next time you want to confirm your available funds. Thanks for watching and for being proactive about your financial wellness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips on managing your Fit card and other financial tools.